study guide forum. Here we have a question that has to do with alternative to practical chemistry. This is from past question of alternative to practical chemistry exam, that is WAEC private. So in this question, we were given a sample of salt. This is incomplete analysis of a sample of salt they call D, and then say that we should copy and complete this. From the first test, we found out that D was heated strongly in hard test 2. Then we have a colorless gas with pungent smell. Gas turns moist blue litmus paper red. Black residue was left. So what we have here, since we have a colorless gas that has a pungent smell and turns lime uh, times blue moist blue litmus paper red, means that the gas is what? Acidic. Gas is what? Acidic gas. And being that the gas has a pungent smell, the pungent smell can mean that the gas we have here should be something like this. Might be sulfur sulfur 4 gas, which always have a pungent smell. And then black residue, so that black residue was left. It means that you are likely to have something like copper oxide, lead sulfide, iron sulfide likely present, because this compound, they are all what? Black in color. So this is what we might be expecting. Now for the fat, the next one we have is add distilled water. We find out that is insoluble. That is, it did not dissolve, meaning that insoluble. Insoluble salt. Now all these ones too, iron sulfide is insoluble, lead sulfide is insoluble, copper oxide is insoluble, and then it's likely to be any of them too. We can also add it there. Copper oxide is insoluble, lead sulfide is insoluble. That is, you can say also likely present. So the next one we have is that D plus dilute hydrochloric acid. We have a gas that is colorless with pungent or irritating smell involved. Gas turn acidified potassium permanganate or potassium permanganate solution colorless. That means for turning this colorless means that the gas in question is what? A reducing gas. Now we have two reducing gases. We have a gas like a reducing gas like hydrogen sulfide, and also we have also this other gas we have sulfur 4 gas, which is also reducing gas, which can turn this one colorless. So because of that, and because it turned this colorless without deposit of sulfur, meaning that hydrogen sulfide gas is absent, and because it's also colorless, hydrogen sulfide is also absent. Now we have there is no deposit of sulfur here, which means what we have here should be sulfur 4 gas. Confirm. That's called sulfur 4 gas. That means what we are likely to have here is the ion that's likely to be here will be sulfur triazosulfate 4 ion. That is what we likely to be there. And we can also say confirm all together. We can confirm it there, because that is the possible place we can get what we have there. That's the possible compound that can give us this action. So, and the next one we have there is a portion from above, portion of the solution from this very part, so that add sodium hydroxide in drop and then in excess. We have the first one, white and blue gelatinous precipitate, giving us copper ion, meaning that copper is likely to be present. Now, white precipitate insoluble, also meaning that copper copper is what? Likely present. It means that copper ion is likely present because copper ion is what can give us this. Now, the next analysis, the next one we are going to do there. So now, the last portion of the test, the last section is that portion of the solution from the previous one we have done. Add aqueous ammonia. If you add aqueous ammonia, remember we are able to find out that copper ion is likely present there. If you add aqueous ammonia in drop, we'll have what we have here will be um, blue gelatinous precipitate. Blue gelatinous precipitate telling us that copper 2 ion is what? Present. Copper 2 ion is present. Then in excess, what we have here is a deep blue solution. Deep blue solution confirming the presence of copper ion, that is copper ion. Copper ion confirmed. That is what we have at this the end of it. Thank you so much for being part of the class, and we would like you to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Subscribe. Like if you have any question to ask us, you can also get to the comment section and leave your question there, and we would like to hear from you. And then share, like. Thank you so much for being a part of the class. Thank you.